Hello friends, let us see another previous year gate question. What is the given question? First read it. Skin frictional capacities of a 40 centimeter diameter driven pile of the portions A, B, C, D. Okay, that means if you are considering, let me change the thickness. Okay, suppose if you are considering a pile driven through the soil, it is divided into how many parts? 3 portions, that is 1, 2, 3. Portion A, portion B, portion C. So, screen frictional capacity. So, what is the QS value in the portion A? 17 kilonewton. What is the screen friction value in the part B? 63 kilonewton. What is the part in C? That will be equal to 503 kilonewton. So, what they are given? They are given that point load capacity. That means indirectly they are given a end bearing resistance. How much? 11,000 kilonewton per meter square. What they're asking? Pile load capacity. What is the pile load capacity? That will be nothing but a frictional resistance plus frictional resistance. What is end bearing resistance? Value is given 11,000. 11,000 into, we need the value in terms of force. So multiply by the area. What is the area? Pi by 4 into, substitute diameter in meters. That means 0.4 square plus whatever the QS. Nothing but a summation of these three values. In the portion A, what is the value? 17. In the portion B, what is the value? 63. Plus in the portion C, what is the value? 503. So if you solve all these values, then that is nothing but a pile load capacity. So if you solve that, you will get it as around 1965 kilonewton. 1965 kilonewton. Option C. Thank you.